gateway to the northeast, Guwahati, this hot seat will go to the polls in the third phase with 3 other seats of Assam. An electoral duel between 2 women who have worked together at some point of time in the same party. This time, both the Congress and the BJP have changed their candidates and given tickets to debutants. Dropping the sitting MP, BJP has fielded Bijuli Kalita Medhi, an old BJP hand. Her father and husband have been local BJP leaders. She is also the Vice President of State BJP and known to be low-profile, hard-working Karyakarta.
Very much inspired by the personality of our very honorable Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji. So from my childhood only, I was very much interested towards BJP party. But in 2013, when I got the opportunity to contest as a councillor from ward number 23 of Guwahati Municipal Corporation, so that was my starting in electoral politics. People are not waiting for my promise because you have seen that since 2014, our Narendra Modi ji and Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, they're working for the development of the city and for the whole state. So now people know that if something development is going to be happen, then that is Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma and Narendra Modi is going to do that. So
the Congress has fielded its state women Congress chief, firebrand leader Meera Thakur Goswami. Meera Thakur had served the BJP for several years but had left the party in 2018 and joined the Congress.
जब मैंने बीजेपी में था तो बीजेपी का वो विचारधारा जो थे वो बहुत अच्छा विचारधारा थे। देखो अभी तो बीजेपी कहाँ बीजेपी रहा, अभी बीजेपी का कहाँ चुनाव हो रहा है, अभी वोट तो मांग रहा है मोदी अब की बार मोदी सरकार, मोदी को वोट दो। बीजेपी का तो ब्रांडिंग नहीं हो रहा है, तब इसीलिए हम बीजेपी छोड़ दिया। बीजेपी का विचारधारा जब पलट गया और गुवाहाटी पूरा नॉर्थ ईस्ट साउथ ईस्ट एशिया का ये गेटवे है। यहाँ का जो लास्ट टाइम जो एमपी गए थे दिल्ली, एक भी हम लोग पार्लियामेंट में उनका कोई परफॉर्मेंस हम लोग नहीं देखा।
The constituency comprises of 10 assembly segments and a total over 20 lakh electors, of which about 50% are women and a huge chunk of young voters.
लास्ट टाइम आसाम में बहुत वुमेन सेफ्टी को लेकर बातें चल रही थी, पर फिर भी वुमेन के अगेंस्ट क्राइम्स वैसे ही हो रहे थे। तो मैं चाहूँगी कि वुमेन रिप्रेजेंटेशन जो है हर जगह में ही बढ़नी चाहिए और इन सारे इश्यूज को गवर्नमेंट को टैकल करना चाहिए।
Many flyovers are being constructed. Development, the concept of development is limited to the buildings of flyovers or such big infrastructure. However, the very small infrastructures are, the main basically, how do I say, the main part of the development, that is the road and so, that is not being developed. Why is only a certain part being developed?
आगे मैं था बीजेपी का पूनुजा ने यहाँ में पहले इलेक्शन में एक बार आया था, उसके बाद यहाँ तक कभी नहीं आया। इलेक्शन के बाद में पहले वो स्ट्रीट क्या वो सोलर सिस्टम का लाइट है ना, जो वो लाइट थोड़ा जगह में लगाया, उसके बाद वो डेवलपमेंट काम कुछ नहीं किया।
BJP has taken out a massive road show of 2 kilometers in Guwahati amid hundreds of people turning up with Union Home Minister Amit Shah leading the rally. This is a massive show of strength of the BJP at Guwahati, our Lok Sabha constituency, which is seen very prestigious. This is a prestige battle and Guwahati goes to polls in the third phase along with 3 other seats of Assam. However, Guwahati is the only seat where BJP is contesting. The other 3 seats it has left for its alliance partner has been an attack on the opposition. They want to muzzle the opposition voice. This is the allegation that Congress is putting on the BJP. With camera Sanjay Chakrabarti, Ratnadeep Chaudhary, Monday TV.